So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can print a map using Google Earth Pro. So first of all, we have to open Google Earth, and as you can see, it's already open in my PC. The next thing is you just have to click it here where it says print, and once you do it, you will have a few options. So let's say you can have a title and description, and if you don't want it you can just simply uncheck it. And for me, yeah, I don't want it. Also, I don't want legend, so I'm going to have scale and the compass. So as you can see here, that's our scale and that's our compass. So the next step is to save the PDF. For this, simply click on save PDF, and then you just have to locate it where you want it. So let's say I want to save it on my desktop, so yeah, and it will take a while, and after that will be printed. The map has been successfully saved, and let's open it and see what do we have here. So yeah, as you can see, the map has been saved.